Hello, nears and dears. Welcome to Saturday Done Quiz. Today's questions are about the sports. First question: in tennis, what piece of fruit is found at the top of the men's Wimbledon trophy? So it is pineapple. How many holes are there in a standard golf course? So there are total 18 holes. How many players are there in a netball game? So there are 7 players. Golfers are only allotted a certain period of time to locate their golf ball. How long do they get? So they get 5 minutes. What is the name of the ice surface that ice hockey is played on? So the name is rink. What is the highest score in bowling? So it is 300. It is also called the perfect square. What type of race is the Tour de France? So it is a bike race. Who won the FIFA Women's World Cup in 2K19? So it was won by USA. In bowling, what is the term given for 3 consecutive strikes? So a turkey. So the term name a turkey. How long is a soccer game? So it is a long 90 minutes.